Today I'm cooking with Kevin. It's Redneck Shrimp Scampi! Yay! First thing you want to do is you want to fill a pot with water. That's for the angel hair pasta. You want to set that going on high. Okay, while you're boiling the water, you want to thaw the cooked shrimp, and you put that in the colander, and you're going to run some water over it. We're going to do that. I only got a little sprayer like this, so I'm going to use some Velcro to keep that in place. Like so. So, turn that on. Cold water. This is how you thaw the shrimp. And I'm going to let that run over that for a little bit. And we're going to start preparing the actual ingredients. Well, this is an actual ingredient. Package of angel hair here. This makes a lot of pasta. And a stick of butter. It's butter. It's salted butter. The butter's salted. 1 stick. 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. A ½ cup of minced garlic. 2 tablespoons of Chardonnay. Weenie. I like a nice glass of weenie. So I'm going to do that twice. And we're going to use about 2 tablespoons of parsley flakes. And the shrimp is soft. Look how simple this is. You just grab the end right there, and then you pull it off. And then you got the shrimp, and then you have the tail. They're different things. All you have to do is take the shrimp off, the tail off the shrimp. You just take the shrimp, take the tail off. Unless you shrimp cocktail, take the damn tail off. The tail. I don't want this in my food. I want this in my food. And with the magic editing, I'm going to get this all done. And this is a bowl of detailed shrimp. And we're going to put this to the side and check the water. Ooh, it's starting to steam. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little salt here. Just a bit. I'll put the olive oil in first. There we go. Stick of butter. And we're going to put that right there. We got the ½ cup of minced garlic. Goes right in there. Generously. About 2 tablespoons parsley. That's going to melt. We're going to put that on low. Apply very low heat. Let everything mix. And that'll give us time to allow the water to finish boiling. And then we can add the pasta. And then we'll add the shrimp. It's going to be great. Okay. The water is boiling. The box of angel hair in there. My mother used to hit me with a wooden spoon. And I don't blame her. I was a terrible kid. 12 to 15 minutes. Butter is melted. Mix that all up in with the olive oil, parsley, and the garlic. Okay. Now this shrimp is all cooked, but we're going to bring it up to a nice searing temperature so it can absorb all the flavor. And then once we start seeing a little steam off of this, we're going to put the weenie, the wine, the Chardonnay, the weenie into the mixture here. It's a mixture. Alright. Fantastic. Now we'll check on okay. Now, we're going to see how do those noodles look. Those noodles look alright. So it's time to drain them. Ooh. Now, you don't want to rinse that because you want that to take in the butter and olive oil. Oh, you hear it? Yeah. So now, we're getting a little steam. We're going to warm up the shrimp real quick because we can't leave them in too much because they'll shrink. And we want them light and fluffy. Light and fluffy. Look at that. There's one. That cuts a little of that seafood. There we go. And then, the secret ingredient that makes this redneck shrimp scampi is, dun dun dun, paprika. That's the redneck part. You're going to do a little of that for color. That to the top. Here we are. A little of that right in there. That's beautiful. I was talking about when you hear it. Here's a little water. Turn this on to low. Stir it up a bit. Oh, look at that. we're gonna put that pasta back in its pan. So I'm gonna take that pasta that's sitting there, that's chilling in the sun, put it right there. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna do that right now. And then everything's up to temperature. We're gonna pour that on top, and we'll serve that up separate. The pasta here. We're just gonna take this, turn that off entirely. We're dumping that right on top. There we go. There you are. Stir all that up. That gets all the butter and olive oil absorbed into the pasta. And this is ready to be plated. Woohoo! Alright, look at that. That looks beautiful. And remember, this is Redneck Scampi, so just a little dash of paprika on the top there. And we're good to go with that. So there you have it. Redneck Shrimp Scampi. Thank you for joining me, Cooking with Kevin. You're gonna go eat that.